I've had my Beko for getting on 2 months now, and I've only emptied it, not actually seen how it's been getting on. So let's do that now. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? The Beko needs a bit of servicing. Nothing much really, just routine maintenance. So let's work out and go through together how we need to do that. Now there are 2 bins on this. This is the one for the floor head, and in here is for when it's in handheld mode. The suction isn't too bad. Now, I've had a sneak peek at the filters a few times, but we need to clean it because it's not going to be loving life. So we'll start with this part. Now, to take the bin off, you push this button and simply release it like so. Now that doesn't look too bad at all. And the top of the filter is clean, so that is good news. But as we all know, it's what lies under the filter that counts. And actually, that's not too shabby either. In fact, I bet if we were to give it a quick vacuum off, come on Henry, come on, there we go, it probably wouldn't look much different. No, so that is a pass for the filters. Now, we need to get into the bin, and to get into the bin, we lift up this little hook and pull, and oh, okay, there is a slight clog. I think I might know where this came from. This would have come from a vacuum that I took apart a few days ago. So we'll take that out of there. There's also quite a lot in there as well. So that's not bad, considering that's been quite clogged. I mean, we don't use it in handheld mode very much. It is only really ever used in floor mode. So, again, that's not too bad either. I need the bent end for Henry, so I can get a bit of reach. And we'll pop this out. Marvellous. It is always good to have a proper vacuum in one of these. I mean, it's not bad, but it's no proper cleaner. As you can see, just a quick blitz off has got that looking lovely. Now, to get further into here, you can twist this part to unlock it, but not really get any further. That's all the access it gives you. So again, we can get into there and just get all the dirt off and clean it up really. Now we've got to line up this part and just twist it 1/2 degree. Put the inner part back on. Put the filter in. This is probably going to work a lot better now. Yes, it does. So, the handheld part is clean and sorted. Now for this bit. So we'll start by emptying the bin, which you simply just turn 1/2 degree and out it comes, and that's picked up a fair amount considering that it's been half clogged. So we'll have that sorted. And that's all there is to that. You literally just empty it, dump it out, and pop it back together. Right. But I'd imagine that the brush roll is going to need a bit of cleaning. So let me readjust and we'll do that now. Right, there we go. Now, we need to take the brush roll out of here. And to do that, you get a coin or a screwdriver, and just like a Dyson and other manufacturers, you simply turn that 1/2 degree and the whole thing lifts off. Then we can simply withdraw the brush roll like so, which is full of hair, full of it. So I have a Stanley knife here. Theory, all we need to do is just cut all the hair off. If we go around one of the where the bristles stop, because there's 2 types of bristles on this, it works quite well. There's a soft fluffy blue part and a more stiffer grey part, and all we really need to do is just pull all the hair off. We should do this quite regularly. This is only a month or 2 of use, and obviously it's not our main vacuum. This month we got the Miele. Still, it's January when I'm recording this, in case it doesn't go live in January. That in there now. But the only slight issue is that also there's a fluff getting caught up in there, which is a bit of a shame. The ends are taking a bit of a battering. There's quite a lot of hair stuck around there. So we'll have all that off. These little felt rollery bits are actually the self-drive mechanism. It's a little bit of a con, but then it does work quite well. It doesn't really self-drive, it just pulls itself along by its own brush roll. If you get it right, it does shoot across the room. However, not always. Sometimes it will just sit there and not really do anything. So it's not true power drive in its, you know, real sense. It's not like a Hoover Concept 1 power drive. They're incredible. Even the Electrolux Cyclone Power self-drive that I've got is more of a proper self-drive than this. But, you know, marketing sells vacuums, and Beko, or actually there's a company called Arslick who make this. Arslick, that's right. No, not spelled like that. A-R-C-E-L-I-K. So there we go. God, this is quite fiddly actually. Well, it depends on how well you want to do it. I want to do it quite well. There we go. So I'll have all that off. That'll probably do it. I mean, we could also go one step further and vacuum it. That's actually done it much better. The inside there isn't too bad. Not too dirty at all. So all we need to do is pop the brush roll back in. It only goes in one way. He says it's very fiddly. There we go. And then pop the end cap back on. There we go. And then do up the quarter turn fastener like so. That is done. If we put the power plant back in, it should work. So it doesn't really stream itself across the room unless you're incredibly lucky, but it does the job, and in theory it should pick up quite well now. Just put some Rice Krispies down just to see how well it does, because I've not tried this extreme at snow ploughing. We'll do it on high setting. Yeah, that does snow plough quite bad. Low, and then high. We have clogged it up with Mr. Kellogg's Finest. Let's just tip some out. Oh, in fact, it's all just in there though. If I just take all that out, so yeah, it can clog. Crunch that back in. Anything can clog if you try hard enough. Let's get the rest up with the bottom bit. And that also demonstrates how it fills up. I mean, there's probably room for lots more Rice Krispies in there, but we won't go insane. We've cleaned it up. It now works fine and dandy and ready for another couple of months use. I do quite like it. We'll need to do a video soon, show you all the tools and show it actually working. I won't do it today, but I will just do a video. It's just vacuuming. I'll do the whole house and we'll see how much it picks up, show you all the tools, show you how all that works. But this is just a little impromptu video, just to basically show you how easy it is to fit, well, to service really. So, the Beko is doing well. Thank you very much for watching another video, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.